So guys, look, my name is Tommy and I run the YouTube channel, The Gallery Backyard Barbecue. Now look, over the next couple months throughout the summer, a few times, I'll be guest chefing over here at GrillGrate's YouTube channel. And I am definitely excited about that. So look, today's show is going to be all about the chicken wing. I am going to show you how to flip the GrillGrates, work it as a griddle or a flat top or a saute pan, and get the crispiest buffalo chicken wings you ever made. And look, man, without further ado, let me flip the cameras around, show you the star of the show, and show you how we're going to get there. These chicken wings here have been sitting in the fridge on paper towels for about 3 hours, and they are as dry can be. You could see as I move them around, they're actually sticking to the paper towel. That is a good sign for sure. We are going to go with the kosher salt, 16 mesh black pepper, and granulated garlic. Oh yeah. And of course, we will get both sides. I mean, look, there are different methods on the internet to get crispy chicken wings. I find out as long as the wing is dry, they will crisp up nicely. All right, man, we got our chicken wings all seasoned up. We will let that sit for about 15-20 minutes and tend to the kettle. Look, man, there are many different methods of getting a crispy chicken wing, and this is certainly one of them. I don't really like dealing with the cornstarch and all that jazz. I really don't think it is necessary as long as your chicken wing is dry and the surface you are cooking on is the right temp. So like I said, man, let's head on over to the kettle, get that fired up, and then I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, we will get our kettle up to temp. At that time, I'll get the sauce, put the sauce on, and we're just looking to heat it through, melt the butter. It's only going to take about 5 minutes or so, and at that time, I'll bring you back. So as far as your hot sauce goes, the Gallery Backyard Barbecue loves Frank's hot sauce, so that's what we're going to go with. And we're going to go with about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup. 1/4 stick of unsalted butter to 1/2 stick of unsalted butter, and about 1/8 cup or so of honey. To me, that just adds a little bit of smoothness to the sauce, a nice silkiness to the sauce, and also kicks it down a little bit of notch with a little bit sweetness on the back end. So look, on that sauce here, we are going to bring it up to a very low simmer. We're going to incorporate that butter good in there. Make sure the butter is nice and melted at that time. Just pull it off. So look, one of the major keys of using your GrillGrates while you do chicken is it is going to kick all flare-ups down. You will have no flare-ups, which is a welcome surprise, trust me. So look, fat side down on those wings right there. We'll get the drums down. We will rotate these around as they cook. We know the little winglets are going to be done quicker, so we will rotate those into the cooler zone. And look, one of the keys to a crispy wing is just keep them moving, man. You don't want them in one spot too long. You don't want to burn the outside or overcook the outside while the inside is still not cooked. So keep flipping, keep turning, keep moving. I mean, look, this is Weber grilling at its finest. Oh, man, yeah. Now you could see we have a cooler zone on the right side. We're about 400 or so, and we are over 6 on that left side. So that is the key right there. So we know when we got to cool these things down, we'll move them over to the right side. Now look, also what I'm doing is I'm gonna get those little winglets over to the right side, because again, they're gonna cook quicker. We'll get those bigger legs or those drums or whatever they're called. We'll get those on the left side. Oh yeah. Man, there ain't nothing better standing over the Weber kettle and working some wings. Yeah, let's go. So look, I'm gonna pile those all up on the cooler zone. I'm gonna shut that lid for about 30, 40 seconds, get some good smoke on these wings. You gotta love kettle cooking. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And again, notice 0 flare-ups. And you want to be a good 165 on both, and you could see we are 180, 185 over there. Look to be about 172, 173, so we definitely know these are done. Oh, yeah. Oh. I mean, that's crispy as crispy could be. So guys, look, let's get these off. Let's get them in a bowl. Let's get that sauce over to the bowl. We will get some liquid in. We will coat these wings nicely. And then let's get them on the board to rest. Guys, this was a pleasure. Let's take it in for some closing thoughts and that quick taste test. Oh yeah. I mean, what could I say other than that was fun, man? Look, that is something you just, you know, using a pellet grill or something, or even these gravity feds, you kind of forget what it feels like to really work the grill. So that was definitely fun here, going back on that Weber kettle. And you could see we got a nice browning, man. We got a nice crispiness, that is for sure. And man, it was fun working that kettle. I had the one zone was up and over 600, while the other one seemed to maintain in at 400. So I kept switching them back and forth. That was perfect. I think we nailed the perfect temp on these. I am going to go in for a quick taste test, and then we will wrap up the show. I mean, look, man, what could I say, man? These are perfect, man. A little bit of a bite with that Frank's Red Hot. I mellowed it out, made it a little bit more creamy with that unsalted butter, and also hit it with the honey just to bring a little kick of sweetness in. And that worked out. That worked out perfect. Look, man, these are a 10 out of 10. If I was having some people over for, you know, National Chicken Day, I'd have a couple dozen of these on, that's for sure. All right, so look, man, I want to thank GrillGrate again for allowing me to cook for them. Hit that subscribe button over on GrillGrate's YouTube channel, because you will see me back here again. We'll have all information down below on this recipe here, and that'll do it, man. Until next time, we will see you soon.